Hello and welcome back. So another one of day that we're going to do more Python. Yeah, we are going to create a snake game using Python programming language right from the scratch. So join me as we do this, as we do it. We have to import sys, that is system, and then we need to import random. And then we should be able to continue. Yeah, now we want to initialize Pygame. So what we do is say Pygame dot int. This is a function. A function, yeah, you know, it's a function. And then we want to create some constant. What it means by that is that it is something that will not change along the code. So we say width, then we need height. Equals 600, 600, 400. Yes, and then we need a grid size. A grid size will be equals to 20. Equals 20. So yeah, grid size equals 20. Continue. Continue here. And then we say grid width equals width divided by grid size. Grid underscore height equals height divided by grid size. Snake underscore speed. This one we need to put more, can put like, let's say 15 or 20, let's say 18. Then we move on. We want to say chorus. But we are making notes here. Chorus black equals 0, 0, again. Then we are moving on. Remember, we are describing what we want our snake to be like, the size and everything. 255, comma 255, comma 255. And then we continue. We want the green to be, you see that there we have a white, which is almost completely white, and then we go to green. We want to do green. So green equals 0.255, almost 0. Green need to be well spared. We have to spare it correctly. Yes, that are good. And then we want to create the screen. So we make some, the reason why we make some comment is because of another user or another person who could be following our code. We need to know what that code does, so we explain it beforehand or as we move around. Let's see it. Oh, come on, right. Wait, come on, right. Yeah, and we needed double parentheses here. Double parentheses. Don't forget that. And we move to the Pygame dot display. Pygame dot display. Pygame dot display. Dot set option. Snake game. Snake game. and we are moving forward. And then we need also to initialize. We need to initialize our snake variables. Yes, we need to initialize them, and therefore we'll say snake equals breed underscore width divided by 2. Come on, read again. Underscore height. Yes, and then we again divide it by 2. And then we need to say snake. Snake direction. Direction equals 1,0. They equals 1,0. And then we want to speak about the food that our snake has to eat. Our snake needs to eat, so we say random dot run dot run it. Say 0, and then read with minus 1, and then we would come over there and say random dot land it. Say random dot land it, random dot land it. And then we want to say 0. And read underscore height minus 1. Yes, we are moving on, step by step. And then here we want to make another comment. We want to say game over frag. Game over frag. We can put this one game over frag. Then we say game over equals false. We want to make another comment here. I want to say main game loops. Then why not game over? Not game over. For event in Pygame dot event dot get event dot type equal Pygame dot quit. Game over. I want to say game over equals true. Game over equals true. If event dot key dot type. So event dot type equals Pygame dot key. Now remember, we are going to use keys down, key up, keys right, move our snake this and that side. So that's why we make this one. So if event dot key equals Pygame dot k up and snake direction. Here we're talking about direction of the snake. It's not equals. It's not equals 0,1. We are describing how our serpent will be moving along. Yeah, here we need some semicolon. Semicolon, yes. There's some semicolon there. This is a full colon, sorry, not semicolon, it's a full colon. Then we say snake direction. Snake direction equals 0, 1. Again, we move forward. Elif event dot key. Event dot key equals pygame equals pygame dot k down. This one is if you press the key down, the down arrow. So what you want it to do? If you want it to do is to make underscore direction. We say not equals 0, -1. And then we move forward again. We say if event dot key equals pygame dot k. Let's go right. Snake direction. We're talking about direction here. Not equals 1, 0. Moving forward. Snake direction equals the snake snake direction equals -1, 0. Movement of the snake. You know, the snake is regarded as the most wise animal, and very wise. That is why the Savior of the world is telling us to be wise like snake or a serpent, right? The Savior of the world tells us to be as wise as the serpent that hammers like a dove. So say equals snake. And then we want to say 0 here. This is a list. We are creating a list here. Another one, let's say 0, 0. And then we want to say cross snake direction. Snake direction, then I'll say again 0. Then we say comma here. We need to include this comma. This snake again. 0, then 1. I guess we are moving on just fine. We are doing well. 0. And then 1. Then you want to say direction. Want to say snake direction 1. Then we want to make the insert new head. When the snake swallows something, we have a new head here coming up. Yes, that is our snake. That's what it does. It swallows, it grows a peak. You know, there is an adage that says that the snake swallows another in order to become big. But now here, our snake will just swallow something called food. We don't want our snake to swallow anything else. We want our snake to swallow only food. Yes, only food. Our snake should swallow only food. So we want to say eat food. So if snake, that's why we have 0. If snake equals snake equals food. Let's say food equals random dot land random dot land int. Let's say 0 can command read, then we say width -1. Then we want to move forward. We want to move forward. We need to say again random dot ladit also random dot rad int, and then we will be having 0 comma so say grid underscore. All right, and then we want to also -1, -1, and then we move forward. And we continue here. We want to say again else. This is options. We are writing down snake dot pop dot pop. We want it to pop. Yes, we want it to pop. Now one more thing we can do here is to check. We make a comment here, check for operation. Because when it corrects, the rules of celestial mechanics dictate that when 2 objects collide, there is always damage. So take care not to collide. If snake of 0 camera 0 again is less than 0, or snake say 0 and 0 again is greater than or equal to grid width. Grid width, then there's something that you want to happen. Snake grows. Maybe our snake will grow. Our snake will grow, continue growing because 0. So snake of 0. And then we say snake again 1. Growing, snake. Okay, greater than or equal to grid underscore height. Or snake 0 and snake 1. We want the game to be over. So game over. Game over equals true. Game over equals true. And so we need to make another comment here. We say clear. It's clear. Clear the screen. That's a comment. So screen dot fill black. That way we clear the screen. Then we want to say draw. We want to have another comment here. Draw. Draw there. Remember, I do this for the sake of tomorrow, or for somebody else who may like to follow our call and want to know what it's doing. Okay, segments, segment, or segment in Snake. Segment in Snake. Again, draw. Rect. You can see screen. Screen in plain. Plain. Segment. Draw. Let's say read underscore size. Come on. Segment. No, much better we got this one in segment 1. And then we multiply grid with size. And then we want to say grid underscore grid underscore size. The grid underscore size. Grid underscore size. Grid again underscore size. Grid underscore size. And from there, we need to draw the fold now. We need to draw the fold, so the fold. Yes, draw the fold. Remember, this is just a comment. Again, I'll draw it. Right. White. Plain. White. Food. We have that one there. We can have grid. Now, okay, grid size underscore. We multiply grid size with grid size again. And again, we put a comma there, and then we see again another grid size. And now we can see update. We make another comment there, say update the display. Update the display. And then we continue. We say pygame display. Okay, pygame dot display dot updates. With the update the display. Yeah, updating the display now. And you make another comment, we say control. Control begin speed. Remember, when you're making a comment, you start with the hash. Yes, so it means that the compiler or the interpreter for that matter will not think about whatever you write after. When you type after the hash, the hashtag is for a fellow user or a coder, not for the compiler to read. So the compiler ignores whatever you write under, whatever you type after the hashtag. So now we want to quit the pygame. Pygame.quit. Pygame.quit. Now we have this dot exit. And now if we play this game, we now have made this code. I believe that we have been very careful in everything that we have been making here. No mistake, no typos, everything is in order. Now we can learn our code and see what's the real deal for us. We can play our wonderful game with our code, the whole code. Yes, we started with importing Pygame, then we moved on. This is what we have done. This is our code, and everything is okay. If no typos, no errors, everything should be fine. So let's learn our code now and see whether we can be able to play our wonderful game. Let's see. Yes, we can play now our code, and our wonderful game is building up. You can see it now. We can control it with our arrows, with arrow keys. Yes, that's what we do. That is our game now. Our game is now growing big. You see, when it hit the edges, the game will just end like that. So we need to avoid hitting the edges. So let's play it again. Play it again, play it again. Come on, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. Yes, yes, yes. This is our game play now. We can play it, we can play it. We can play it, we can play it with arrow keys. With arrow keys, we played, and we see that our game is growing big and big, big and big. Our game is growing big and big, growing big and big. See, our game is now growing big and big. We are now master gamers. We are mastering the Python programming language. If you like this video, follow us for much more are coming. As I said, we are called Wizard. These are things that we do. We do it for fun. Yes, we don't mind whether people like it or not. Yes, we don't mind whether they like us. That one doesn't mean anything to us. That one is nothing. We like what we are doing, and we are doing what we are doing because we like it. We are coders, that this is what we do. Yes, and we love doing it. Now you see, we don't have to download any game to play for ourselves. We only need to code. You see, our snake is growing bigger and bigger. So like us, follow us on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and everywhere. And we get more and more coming. More and more are coming. You see, this is our game. It's growing bigger and bigger. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful coding time. See you another time. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.